Hi guys, it's Philip Cox here again. I have an unboxing video today from a diamond painting company called Evermoment. I have already unboxed one of them, but today I'm super excited because this was one of my birthday presents. My birthday was Saturday, and this one is my very first custom Evermoment diamond painting. I do want to make a big shout out to an artist here on YouTube. I think he's on Patreon and Pinterest and Facebook and Instagram, I think. His name is Ashmish. ASHIMSH Arts. He does commissions. He does great artwork. I really recommend him. I contacted him in the beginning of February, I think, to see if I could use his wild liger picture that he made, and for my first custom. And I said I'd give him a shout out so that he gets some likes and subscribes and shares and people look at his artwork. He said that I could. He said that as long as I give him credit for what he did, that I am able to use his design. So I did. And here, I'll let you show you what size it is. Hold on. It's a 60 by 60 custom. It has 36 colors. I do want to say something to Ashmish real quick. For some reason, when the photo came over to me in my messenger, it was a red background. I don't know why, but when I updated the app again, then it turned white. But I had already sent the picture to Evermoment, and I'm really sorry that it turned out as red. I did not do nothing to it, so please don't be mad at me. But here goes the unboxing. So Ashmish, I'm sorry about that, but it was not me that did it. It was because the app didn't upload, I think. I mean upgrade. So I just want to say I'm sorry about that, and please forgive it. But first thing out of the tube is Evermoment baggies and some labels. Here's the toolkit, a basic toolkit with the, I think it's a 5-placer, tweezers, diamond painting pen with grippy, 2 rectangles of wax, and a boat for the beads, the drills or beads, whatever you want to call them, to put in. Here's my free gift. I will be giving these to my cousin's daughters. He's got 3 of them. Oh wow. This is the second baggie, the beads or diamonds, whatever you want to call them, like I said. And then here is the first baggie. I can show you a picture after I get these out and get the canvas out. But there's a lot of nice pretty blues, reds, and yellows, and oranges. I think there might be some 820 in here. I am not for sure, but there's like a bunch of pretty colors. I just hope I didn't get the one color that everybody's after, which is 666. There's that. And then here's a whole crud of red. Here's the bottom colors, nice pretty blacks, probably 310. Yep, a bunch of 310. Oops. Let me get the canvas out. Being a pain in the tushy. This size is, like I said, a 60 by 60. This right here is the picture. So Ashmish, I'm really sorry that it turned out as red. So I understand it was white. But here's the picture. Here's all the colors. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Look how much red there is. 321. And I got 666. Dang it. I did not get 820 with this, but I did get some other colors. Here we go. Get this unrolled. I do want to say, those that I've said on Facebook about Ever Moment getting my order wrong, they didn't. It was, if you hear anybody talking in the background, please be sure to ignore it. I did tell them that I was doing a video today, so please forgive that. Hold on a minute. I had to move my drafting table back because this wouldn't fit. And it seems we got our first leftover bead. I don't know if it goes in this one or my wool. Not for sure. I'll figure it out later. Let's see. Take this off to the side and pull this back. But dang, that many colors. That's a lot. Okay. Dang, that's a lot of red. There's the second panel. Oh, he's looking good. Let me get up and show you. Look at that wild liger. It's looking cool. This is going to turn out great. Hold on, and I'll pull the other one up and set it back down. Yeah, like I said, please excuse anything in the background if you hear talking. It's my family. Let's see. I hope I didn't overlap these. Let's see. Pull up this side so you guys can see this side, and then I'll pull the top one up so you can see that. And hold on a minute. There's the other side. This is the wild liger from Zoids Wild here on YouTube. It's not in English yet, but it does have English subs or English dubs, whatever you want to say. If you want to call it the English writing that they put in the episodes so that we know what they're saying. Okay. Put this middle one down. Let's see. Let me turn it around. Sorry if I'm making you guys sick. From all the moving around. Let's see. There's his head, top of his head. There's all the blades and the tail going around. I will put all of Ashmish's information down below in the comments. I mean, not the comments, the description. So you guys can go check them out. I cannot do links yet. I wish I had somebody to edit them in for me. But I don't have anyone to do that yet. So, let's see. I will be doing inventory after this. And I will make sure I edit the description. I know I didn't do it on my wolf. So I'm sorry about that. But yeah, there was today's video. Yeah. I will put that information down below so you guys can go check him out. Tell him Tailwhip sent you. And Tailwhip out. Bye-bye.